guys, welcome to Scifocus. Our topic for today is all about energy. We have to understand first what is a natural resource. What natural resources do you know? Natural resources are the natural substances required by humans for different needs. They are any kind of natural substances which is required or desired by humans. Different natural resources occur in different countries and regions and not spread equally. As a result, countries trade their natural resources to ensure that their needs can be met. Energy resources such as oil, gas, coal, wood, wind, waves, sunlight, heat from the ground, or the geothermal are types of natural resources. They can be used to produce heat and electricity. Now, let us try to explain the difference between the non-renewable and renewable energy. The non-renewable energy sources are things like oil, natural gas, and coal. They cannot be easily replaced because they have taken millions of years to form. We are using them faster than they are being made. This means that one day they will run out. On the other hand, renewable energy resources like wind power, wave power, solar power, and biofuel can be easily replaced and will not run out. Non-renewable energy resources include coal, gas, oil, and nuclear power. Coal, gas, and oil are sometimes known as fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are finite resources. They will not be around forever. Non-renewable includes oil and gas formation. Earth's crude oil and natural gas is formed from marine plants and animals that died millions of years ago. First, dead microscopic animals and plants sink to bottom of the ocean and become buried with other sediments like sand and mud. Next, over millions of years, these sediments get buried deeper and deeper. The temperature and pressure rises, and the microorganisms in the sediment are turned into gas and oil. Then, oil and gas move upwards through tiny pores in the rock. Oil and gas gets trapped under impermeable layers of rock and can be then taken out using long powerful drills. Oil and gas can be burned to produce electricity. To do this oil is burned in power plants to heat water and produce steam. This steam, which has kinetic energy, then propels the blade of a turbine, which is the mechanical energy, a sort of engine that rotates. The turbine is attached to a generator, and when it spins, it produces electricity, which is electrical energy. Coal can be burned for heating or for electricity in the same way as oil and gas. Coal is very cheap and there is lots of it. When coal is burned, it releases carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming and acid rain. Non-renewable energy sources won't last forever. Once we have used up our supply of oil, gas, coal, and uranium, there will be no more. Because of the planet's increasing energy demand, more people want bigger TVs, better smartphones, want to fly to faraway countries. But we need to look for different ways of producing energy that is sustainable. Renewable energy sources such as wind, solar power, wave power, and geothermal are sustainable as they will not run out and can be reused again and again. Wind energy. Large windmills are called wind turbines. When the wind blows, the blades move and this spins a turbine, which is connected to a generator, which generates electricity. Wind farms are made up of lots of wind turbines. This allows lots of electricity to be generated. The primary source of all energy on the planet Earth is from the sun. Plants get energy from the sun for photosynthesis, and we and other animals eat plants to gain energy. Heat from the sun also drives atmospheric circulation, which controls the wind, tides, and waves. The solar power is power generated directly from the sun. Geothermal energy is heat energy from the earth. Water can be pumped down into hot rock where it is heated. Geothermal energy can be used to produce heat or electricity. Iceland is very volcanic, so uses a lot of geothermal energy. Hydroelectric power is a way of harvesting energy from the running water. Hydroelectric dams trap water in a reservoir. When electricity is needed, water is released and flows downwards with gravity to spin a turbine. Biofuels are made from crops. Ideally, biofuels should be carbon neutral, absorb carbon dioxide as they grow, and then give off carbon dioxide when they are burnt. However, fossil fuels are used in the production of biofuels, for example, in making fertilizers, so they are not carbon neutral. Crops from biofuels can be used to feed people instead. Appliances in our house have a power rating which tells us how much energy is used by the device every second. The more powerful the appliance, the more energy it needs every second. Power is measured in watts, which is equal to joules per second. The products we are used every day take a lot of energy to produce. Smartphones, for example, need electrical energy to charge up, but they also need a huge amount of energy in the first place to find and mine the metals and other minerals they are made from, such as silicon, tin, gold, aluminum, cobalt, and many more. And now, let me share to you a beautiful quotation by Mohit Agadi. Environment is no one's property to destroy. It's everyone's responsibility to protect. And I hope you learned something from this session. Thank you and God bless.